हाय गाइस। तो मैं आज फिर से पढ़ने जा रहा हूँ द वन बुफेट वे चैप्टर 5 सिग्मा इवेंट पेज नंबर 9। He was soon clear in everyone that Buffett was the brightest student. He often raised his hand to answer Graham's question before Graham had finished asking it. Will Rone, who later confident the sequence fund with risk Cunniff was in the same class. He recalled that there was an entrance intranstenous chemistry between Graham and Buffett, and the rest of the class was primarily an audience. Buffett's grade for the class was an A plus that the first A plus Graham had awarded in 22 years of teaching. After graduating, graduating from Columbia, Buffett asked Graham for a job but was turned down. At first, he was stung by the rejection, but later was told that the firm preferred to fill the slots at Graham's Newman with Jewish analysis who it was perceived were being treated unfairly on Wall Street. Undreaded, Buffett returned to Omaha where he joined Buffett Flag Company. His father's brokerage, he hit the ground running, easily recommending stock that meet Graham's value criteria. All the while Buffett stayed in touch with Graham, sending him stock idea after stock idea. Then in 1954, Graham called with news. The religious veto had been lifted and there was a seat at Graham's Newman if he was still interested. Buffett was on the next phone to New York. Next plan to New York. During his tenure at Graham's Newman, Buffett became fully immersed in his mentor's investment approach. In addition to Buffett, Graham also taught Walter Schultz, Tom Knapp, and Will Rohne. Scholars went on to manage money at SJWJS Ltd. Partner for 28 years old Knapp, a Princeton chemistry major, was a funding partner in 20 Brown Partner. Rohne confident the sequence fund for Buffett Graham was much more than a tutor. Tutor. It was Graham who provided the first reliable map to that wondrous and often fabricating city. The stock market, wrote Roger Lowenstein. He laid out a methodological basis for picking stock. Previously, a previous science similar a gambling. Since the day when 11 years old Buffett first purchased City's service preferred, he had spent half of his life studying the mysterious of the stock market. Now he had answered. Alice scolded another of the Snowball, Warren Buffett, and the businesses of life wrote Warren's reaction was that of a man emerging from the savage in which he had been living all his life, blinking in the sunlight as he perceived reality for the first time. According to scholars, Buffett's original concept of the stock was divided for the partner from formed by the prices at which prices of paper were traded. तो गाइस आज के लिए बस इतना ही। तो नेक्स्ट डे 10 पेज। सो बाय।